And we go. So yeah guys, so what I've added is the API folder in here and Mama Bolo folder. Inside the Mama Bolo folder I was working on the part of adding a mixtape, which is in here. And another thing, I've also added the library. Inside the library we have the Cloudinary file, which I've added my setup in here, and also the audio upload and image upload in here. So let me start with the folder inside the Mama Ball, just that there is that mean, yeah. So inside the folder in here we are going to add and the page. Let me start by explaining here guys. So like here so far, like we have the use states in here, which is the image and audio use states, right? So like from here, let me go down, scroll down, then here we just have a basic form right here where it's got an on submit. I wrote the method of on submit handler, and as you go down you also have on an input on change, you have on image change handler, just to take care of the, like when user or the admin add an image or an input or an audio. So here's the folder, here's the function of on image change handler. So in here we pass the parameter of e of change type. So in here we're saying like if that change event, like it's there, like there's something there, there's something changed, so you must set that data to set image, which was it obviously it will be an image. The image goes with on image change handler. Then now same goes to the audio change handler, same thing in here. Then before I come to, okay, yeah, let me come to submit. On submit file, so what we did in here, just passed in the parameter of e of from event. In here we just did the e dot prevent default, so that when we click submit it doesn't load the page. So in here we use the try catch method just to handle everything. Then here we're just handling the input, like in case if the user didn't select everything, then it should return. Then in here I created a variable of I instantiated, yes, a form data, like inside a new variable in here. Then I also used the variable to append image. I wrote it, like I gave it a name, append image of type image. Like this image is this one on use state, right? So this image, okay, this image is this one. It will know from the form data, it will take it from here, so that's what it knows. So I also give it the 1 year audio. From there I went to the other part of using the exios post, because I'm posting it. Then I passed in the parameter of form data, so that we can use the form data on the other side. Here we just awaited the response dot data, the data that it will be inside here when it responds. And from there just console log, or try to check, or is it working. And hopefully it was working. In case you have an error, it will catch it, any error in there, and output the thing here. So like from here, what can I do? Like, okay, let me go to the API. Inside an API we have another folder called upload mixtape. Inside upload mixtape we have a route, and inside the route I created a function, asynchronous function of post, which takes in a parameter of request, of next request. It handles the request of the APIs, all those things. So inside there I created a new variable called form data, and I awaited the request. Since it comes from the API, I awaited request of what dot form date, because this one I passed it is this one. Let me show you guys. It's this one. It's this one, this form data. I was passing it, so it's here. So I'm assigning to this one. Then knowing that from form data get image, I'm getting the image and audio. Since now we're using TypeScript, we have to write the the type of the files. Then from here again, here when it comes to here, so here this is where now I upload the mixtape and that I upload the audio and the image. So in here, what do I mean, like in terms of upload image, and now I'm passing the image inside here, and also this one is the folder where the image must go. So now that's where now we go to the what, to the library. Inside the library, let me start with the image one. So when it comes to the part of image, so here we have a method, a function, a synchronous function which takes in the file type, that side is an image, and the folder which is a string. So then on this side, that's where now we deals with the processing of the image, also send it to Cloudinary in case you have an error, handling the error in here. So like same goes to audio upload, same thing in here, just taking the file type and the folder. So let me go back into, okay, in here, yeah, this is what was happening in here. So we send the data from here, then we await it of any type, then I will change the a as time goes on, but we will wait for the data, then we assign it to what, data image. Then in here, that's where you guys come in. Here you said MongoDB or database, which like any database. So this one, it will get the image URL. So here I just console the data image in case if it's null dot secure URL. This secure URL is the URL of the image that you uploaded or the admin uploaded. And here, this is the public ID. It's just the ID of the what you uploaded. Same thing here. Then when we are done, it will just send the message to like just uploaded successfully, status 200, just like that. So okay, we're still gonna add more in case if we didn't upload, stuff like that. So like so far guys, this is what I've added. In case if you have any question, we will just talk and discuss on the other side. Salute.